Are you ready? Your teachers will be waiting for you at the designated location in SFO International Airport to assist with your boarding procedures and departure. The specified meeting spot is near the China Airlines check-in counter at SFO Airport. Please make sure to arrive at the airport at 10:00 p.m. Wednesday, March 27 to ensure a smooth check-in process. GDA KICC will be waiting for everyone in the arrival hall in Taiwan. Let's embark on this exciting journey of exploring Taiwanese culture together. Thank you for choosing to be part of the Taiwan Trip organized by GDA KICC. Once again, thank you for being here. Your dedication to this journey is valued, and I'm confident that our time together will not only deliver valuable information, but also foster a positive and inclusive atmosphere for everyone. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us. We're devoted to crafting an outstanding itinerary for your child, ensuring a truly memorable experience. Your trust and support are greatly appreciated. Have a fantastic trip.